kneel down right here. Kneel down right there. It ain't gonna hurt you. No, kneel down. Look, kneel down right here. Get down on your knee.
There you go.
Put this knee down. All right, now look. No, get over here. Get up against it. All right, hold like that. All right, now let me get out the way. You wanna get out there, Tyler?
There you go.